Hello, I'm here to help my wife out. This is Joel, and I'm going to teach you guys an Italian-American staple tonight, sausage and peppers. Very, very, very easy dish to make. All you need is about a pound of Italian sausage. This is about 3/4 of a pound, but that's fine. We'll work with it. Normally I use sweet Italian sausage. This comes straight from our local meat specialist. This is Tuscan rope sausage. It's the best Italian sausage in the world. My wife won't eat sausage, but she'll eat this. Now I've gotten some peppers cut into strips, red, orange, and yellow peppers. Very sweet peppers, help with the sweetness of the meal and the flavor and everything like that. About 1/2 of a sweet onion cut into strips, 4 garlic cloves minced, and let's get started. All right, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and cut my sausage up into about 1-inch pieces, between 1 inch and 1.5 inches. What we're gonna do is take that here. I've got a baking sheet. Now, sausage and peppers, most people, the way I learned to originally cook it was on a skillet on top of a stovetop. Everybody knows that scene from Goodfellas when Henry comes to see Paulie there at the end of the movie. He needs money, Paulie's got that skillet going. Don't do it that way. Do it this way. It comes out much more tender, takes a little longer to cook, but you'll taste the difference. I'm gonna take that sausage. I've got a foil-lined, pre-greased baking sheet here. I'm just gonna line up little pieces of sausage. Gonna wanna get some space between them so you don't overcrowd your sheet here. Now, if you're cooking these with full Italian links, what I would do is just lay the whole link down. Usually come in packages of 4 or 5. And just leave your whole link down. Now we're gonna take the peppers and scatter them all across here. Give them a good even coating. Don't worry about if your peppers are touching your sausage. That's actually fine. Giggity. Because the sweetness of that sausage, the flavor of the sausage will just help those peppers come out even more soft to the bite. All right. Same with our onions. Spread them around. Make sure you get them evenly around the corners too. So, all right, and then I'm gonna take that garlic. Most important part of any meal is garlic. Yeah, close enough. All right, little salt, little pepper, little Italian seasoning. You're going to take that olive oil, you're going to drizzle it over the top. All right, got an oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to pop it in. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes. We're going to come back, flip the sausage, stir the vegetables around, cook it another 15. See you in about 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes are up. Open this up. Get a hot waft of air in my face. And you see the sausages are starting to brown nicely. So we're just gonna flip them over here one by one. Make sure they brown evenly on both sides. As you can see, they've got that nice crispy golden brown outside, which is what I love on my sausages. Come on, you little demon. All right. And we're gonna mix these vegetables up a little bit so they don't get, you can see our onions are getting a little black on the outside, but that's all right because that means they're caramelizing. It should be that much sweeter. I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another 15 minutes, and they are gonna be ready to go and delicious. By the way, I noticed that some of you may be admiring my apron. This was a Christmas present from my daughter. Thank you, Annie. As you see, it's being put to good use. Okay, and we are ready with our sausage and peppers. Got out of the oven. Doesn't that look amazing? The peppers will be nice and tender. Sausage will be nice and juicy. Easy, quick dinner, and an easy cleanup. Who could ask for more? So there it is, Italian sausage and peppers. Delicious dinner, easy to make, easy to clean up. Who could ask for more? Thank you very much for joining me. There'll be more meals. Now a lot of people would maybe want to put this on a hoagie roll, serve it as a sandwich. Me, I prefer my bread and liquid form. So thanks for joining us.